In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change the fonts and font styles in the Castello theme. To get started, open the Customize page and then the Theme Fonts panel. Here you can do some basic changes to the fonts and font styles used by the theme. You have access to over 1,000 different fonts provided for free by Google Fonts. As an example, let's change the default serif font into a different sans serif font. The Theme Fonts panel is supposed to handle basic changes. If you'd like to make extensive changes to the theme, a more efficient way is to write custom CSS code. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Publish button. If all this sounds too difficult, you might be interested in our special professional setup package. You can visit our pricing page for information about our pricing plans and special packages. Please contact our support team if you have any questions.